Today we have a video from Uncovered, and the title of the video is entitled Teens Attack Police After Getting Kicked Out of Club.
They don't want you to go. Go. Don't fucking trying to get a fucking Uber, bitch. Then get out. Back off. What the fuck?
On February 22nd, officers were called to a lounge about a disorderly group of individuals who were refusing to leave. After arguing about the trespass, things turn violent after they try and put hands on police.
No, not stop. Get out. Doing too much. Like, they want me outside for what? How are you is it gonna make it any better? Okay, then go outside first. Go outside first and know if you're okay. Because you're white. Exactly, and I'll fall after you. Like, okay, I'll fall after you. Like, I know how this shit goes. I'm not f***ing stupid. Like, let's go. Like, I seen a f***ing Uber so I can call. Like, I can go home. Like, I just want to go home. That ass. Because they're overly doing too much for no f***ing reason. Like, my phone's on 2%. Like, never that's f***ing serious. Like, I'm gonna go in there and f***ing things. Like, that's f***ing crazy. Like, my f***ing Uber's not even working. I asked him for a f***ing charger. They didn't have one. So. Hello? They won't let us out. Yeah, they're f***ing weird. That's why. Because they're f***ing weird. They're trying to make it worse. I don't give a f***. They're weird as f***. He can't say shit. He can't say shit. He doesn't give a f***. I don't give a f***. Either. He can't say shit. He can't say shit. He can't say shit. I know you don't. Because I feel like we have a right. We have a right. He can't say shit. He know he can't say shit. Yeah, they're being racist as fuck. Like, it's weird as fuck. Like, nigga, I'm just trying to get inside. I'm cold as fuck. Like, what the fuck? This bitch right here. Him right there. Him right there. Him right there. Right here. Him right there. Weird as hell. Now he's trying to, like, flash at everyone because he's fucking weird. Bro, I was literally inside.
Alright, you guys need to leave or I'm gonna arrest you right now.
For what?
We're trespassing. They don't want you to go. Go. Start going.
Don't touch me. Don't fucking touch me. Don't fucking touch me. I'm trying to get a fucking Uber, bitch.
Get out. Back off.
What the fuck?
You lost. Come on.
Back up.
You lost your mind.
Put your hand behind your back now. You're under arrest.
Stop resisting.
Put your hand behind your back. You're under arrest.
Put your hand behind your back. I got it. You got it.
I get the officer's point. Unpopular opinion. I know. I get what the officer is doing, but you move towards them and shove them. Like, come on. Like, that's the one thing. It's like cops could push you, but if you push a cop, now you going to jail. Like, it's just, I get it. They should have left. You know, the cop did say, yo, all right, I had enough. You guys leave, get out of here, go ahead, whatever. But he pushed the white chick first, boom. And then, you know, like, oh man, that's just that. Damn, I don't know what part of de-escalation is that, man, but this is not yeah, I you know, yeah, somebody gonna have to tell me what part of the de-escalation is this, man.
Bro, I was literally inside.
Alright, you guys need to leave or I'm gonna arrest you right now.
For what?
We're trespassing. They don't want you to go. Go. Start going.
Look at that. Look at that. By the time he says, how many seconds go by? Let me see. You guys have to leave. It's 1 minute and 41 seconds. Let's see.
I'm gonna arrest you right now.
For what?
We're trespassing. They don't want you to go. Go. Start going.
Damn. From the time he told her to leave to pushing her, 6 seconds have passed. God damn. And this ain't gonna end well.
Don't fucking touch me. Don't touch me. I'm trying to get a fucking Uber, bitch.
Get out. Back off.
What the fuck?
You lost. Come on.
Back up.
You lost your mind.
Put your hand behind your back now. You're under arrest.
Stop resisting.
Put your hand behind your back. You're under arrest.
Put your hand behind your back.
I wouldn't be surprised if this gets dropped.
No, you're good. You're good. Everybody good?
Yeah, we're good.
All right.
You got anything illegal on you? Because I'm going to search you right now. You better start relaxing. Search me? I don't know. I didn't do shit. He touched me first.
Let me get the shot.
He touched me first. Yes. Hey, I got
passenger seat too.
Record this shit. Record.
Yeah, we're all recording.
Record this shit. I swear to God, record this shit. I didn't shit at all. I didn't shit at all. Record this shit. I can't wait. Oh. Hey man.
Call off for psycho.
Hey fucking man.
You gonna relax or we need to put leg shackles on you?
No, you can relax. I'm good.
You're good?
I'm
Are you
chill.
done fighting?
I was never fighting.
Okay, are you gonna comply?
I was never fighting.
Are you gonna comply?
I was never fighting.
Okay, are you gonna comply?
I was never fighting. I was never fighting.
Are you gonna comply?
I'm chilling. I was never
Okay,
fighting.
relax.
Y'all are crazy. Y'all are crazy. I was never fighting.
She starts to comply. We'll see what she does.
I was never fighting. Y'all are crazy. You're good.
I'm gonna roll you on your side. I got your phone. Let go of it.
Go ahead.
Okay. They got the 1 million cologne on. Okay. That's a good starter kit, man. But hey, if you want something a little fresher, man, get that 1 million lucky. You know what I'm saying? That's like the starter kit, man. But you get that 1 million lucky with that pineapple. Oh yeah. Okay.
Roll on your side.
That's what the gold bottle is, that 1 million.
What car is she going in?
Yep. What did I do? What did I do though? What did I do? What did I do? What did I do? I cannot wait for this shit. I cannot wait for this shit. I cannot wait for this shit. That's our fucking ass.
The suspect was arrested for criminal trespassing, battery on an officer, and resisting arrest. Her friend faces no charges. In a similar incident just 4 days earlier, the same officers were called to a library after a man refused to leave, following complaints that he was harassing a group of teenage girls.
Oh boy. Hold on now. Before we go off on that, I want to see, does the white chick touch the officer too? Because if so, they both should be locked up because they both technically.
Flash everyone because he's fucking weird.
Bro, I was literally inside.
Alright, you guys need to leave. I'm gonna arrest you right now.
For what?
For trespassing. They don't want you to go. Go. Start going.
Don't touch me.
Start going.
Don't fucking touch me. Don't fucking touch me. I'm trying to get a fucking Uber, bitch.
Get out. Back off.
What the fuck?
I mean, the white girl goes like this and kind of like puts her hands on them, whatever, like to create space, but doesn't necessarily charge at him. But she still put her hands on him. I'm not gonna go into the second case just because that got something to do with something else or whatever. But yeah, I just don't. It's a catch-22 because it's like, literally, I think the de-escalation skills could have been better. You know what I mean? Don't get me wrong. I'm all for act right, getting them together. You know what I'm saying? Don't get me wrong. I'm down for it. But in this case, you go from, okay, you guys got to leave, and 6 seconds later, you already pushing the girls. Like, damn, man. They're like, come on. They drunk. You got to be a little bit more. You gotta be, they're drunk. You gotta be a little bit more, whatever, smooth with it. You know what I mean? But that's the catch-22. Cops can put their hands on you. You can't put your hands on them. It is what it is, man. But whatever.